Good afternoon. I've just bought this multi-tool from ALDI for $19.99. Let's see. So it comes with 4 tools. You got your sanding disc. You got your sanding. Got quite a few sandpapers to go with the sand bit. That's quite good. I didn't think you'd get a sandpaper as well. You've got your saw bit. I've used one of them before. When I done my laminate, I borrowed one off a friend, and that bit really worked well. That's a scraper bit for like doing wallpaper, scraping glue off, stuff like that. I know that because you let me use it for that as well. And that is like a saw bit. I would imagine it's for sawing wood. I'll give it a try. It also comes with a handle for the side, a vacuum attachment, which I probably will use, because obviously I don't want the whole place getting stunk out with dust and all. I'll have a look at that later. And you get a carrying bag to put it all in, which I think is quite nice. And your instructions. So for $19 you get quite a bit. So I'll just give it a try with just this one piece on. So look, get it locked on. Give it a quick try. I must admit, I'm hoping to get as many cheap tools as I can. I don't know if you've seen my review of the drill from Argos, sorry. I bought a drill from Argos for £15. You should maybe check out my review, because obviously it wasn't worth the £15 basically. But if you want to go and check out my review on that, see what you think. It was just a short review, because once I tried it and realised what was wrong with it, I didn't try it again. Right, here we go. Tighten the wood in a bit. That seems to be quite good. I presume it's for cutting wood. It will probably say I should really read things before but yeah. Well, that piece works alright. That works quite impressive, that. And it gives a nice clean cut look. So yeah. Seems to work pretty well. I can't see anything wrong with it. Locked on quite well as well. So I like that idea, where it locks on with just that handle. That is a lot easier. I think that, I'm almost certain that's for scraping stuff. I'll have a quick try with that. See if I'm right. Got a bit of paint on here. think it's actually for scraping, I think it's more for scraping paved wallpaper and all, but obviously, like you said, it's scraped that bit of paint off there, so that's not bad. It's quite stiff to get back off though, but at least you know that they're not going to fall off, that's the main thing. But yeah, I think personally, for £19, that is definitely worth the money. I don't know what you think, but drop a comment, by all means. I'm open to any comments, it's always welcome, and if you'd like to, I'd be really happy if you'd subscribe to my channel and maybe look at some of my other videos. Thank you, and see you later.